Really proud of our marae. My thing is for people to return and uplift our marae, strengthen our marae and be able to carry it on.
Every month we have a wānanga and they're here. It's brought the place back. Feels like home again, you know.
You're taught here what happens on the marae, what the tikanga, what the kahu is on the marae. It's history. This is the place you should learn about your ancestors, about your tikanga, about your mountains, about your rivers.
I've been here 20 years, I come every month. It's a passion, I suppose. It's a passion to carry on from our nan, my nan and granddad.
There's just something so free and so nourishing about being in that space. But I guess the most important thing is the connection, so you learn to connect again.